Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to distribute or upload your music on all music stores like Spotify, Audiomack, Apple Music, iTunes, and so many other music stores out there for free, right? You may think this is not possible, but of course it's 100% possible. For those of you who know, distributing your song or having your song uploaded on a music store, it's normally not free, but this video will help you learn how you can actually do this for free. So we are actually going to be using a music distribution service platform to do this. For those of you who have distributed your song using a music distribution service, you should know it's not free, you have to pay. But I'm going to show you one music distribution service platform that actually allows you distribute your music for free. All right, so I've made tutorials about this music distribution service platform. I have a couple of videos about this platform, but I'm just still going to show you how you can actually use this music distribution service platform in today's video. All right, so the name of this music distribution service platform is actually onerpm. If you are subscribed to my channel, you should have seen some videos on how you can upload your music on onerpm for release, and also how to upload your music video on onerpm for release, right? So that can be released on any music streaming platform. So guys, I want to show you how you can actually do it today on all music streaming platform for free. So like I said, onerpm is one of the, I don't know if there's any other music streaming music distribution service that can allow you to do this for free, but onerpm actually allows you to do this for free. Right, so this is my onerpm dashboard overview, as you can see. And for you to start using onerpm, you have to first of all sign up for an account. It's very easy. So just go to onerpm.com and you just have to fill in some details like your email address and create a password, and that's all. Or you can sign up using Google or Facebook or Apple ID, right, if you have one. So basically signing up is very easy and free. So once you have an account on onerpm, you can just log into your account just like I've done, and once you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard overview. So this is my dashboard overview. Now from here, I can easily upload either a music or a music video. As you can see, these are the options right here. So I have videos on how you can actually upload your music on onerpm and have it released on any platform. Likewise, how you can distribute your music video on any platform. So if you want to do that, just click on either of these icons, depending if it's a music or a music video. So if it's a music, just click on the upload music option right there, and as you can see, all you have to do right here is to fill in details about your song. So it's very easy. So just so minor details about your song, just like this, as you can see right here. So very easy. So I'm going to add the video on how you can actually upload your music on onerpm and have it released, and that's the video you need for this tutorial. So the video will be added at the end of this video, so you just have to watch it and you learn how you can upload your music on any music streaming platform. So after adding some basic information about your song, so you can actually upload just a single or an album or an EP, and I have a video on how you can do all this. I have a video on how you can upload a single, how you can upload an album, and also an EP, and it's very easy. So like I said, I'll add the videos at the end of this one. So so after entering information about your song title, blah blah blah, on this section, you can now move to the next section, which is track upload. So in that part, all you have to do is to upload your single. All right, or your album. Right, so after that you move to this other one, which is album art. So this is the part where you can add your album art design. Right, so basically your album art needs to meet some requirement before it can be added. Right, so after that, this part is for distribution preferences. In this part you just have to select the country where you want your song to be distributed. Then finally, this part you just have to preview your music or your album to make sure everything is okay, every information added is okay. And after that, you can just click on distribute at the bottom right corner. Once you reach this part, and then you can distribute your music. So just like that, just very easy. So like I said, I'll add the videos that can help you upload your music on all music streaming platforms at the end of this video, and also your music videos. You can also distribute your music videos on any music streaming platform as well. And also there's a video on how you can upload an album at the end of this one. So you find out this video at the end of this video. All right, so guys, that's basically how you can do it. Hoping it's going to be easy for you, because it's very easy using the onerpm music distribution service. Just follow all the instructions you see in the video and you'll get there. All right guys, so this is how you can actually do it. Hope this guide was helpful to you. Give this video a like, and if you have any questions after watching the video, let me know in the comment section below. All right, thanks for watching guys, and also if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.